So we're on to a straight line graph question. So we're told that the graph of the straight line x plus 2y equals 8 is shown on the grid. And we're asked to draw on the grid for 3 marks y equals x over 2 minus 1. Y equals x over 2 minus 1. So if you know your y equals mx plus c topic, you will know that the c is minus 1, and that minus 1, or the c value, is where we cut the y-axis, so we'll mark a point there. You'll also know that the 2, which is x divided by 2, is the same as a half, so our gradient is a half. So the meaning of a gradient is that the number on the top of the fraction is how much we go up, and the number on the bottom of the fraction is how much we go across to the right. Now it's up because it's positive, and it's across to the right also because it's positive. So we can move then, to get the steepness, we can move from the point we already know is on the graph, across 2 and up 1. And if we simply draw a line through those 2 points, we'll have the line drawn onto the graph. Might be a good idea to do another point by going across 2 and up 1 again, and then that saves the possibility of not drawing the lines through the points exactly and going slightly off. So the wider apart the points are, the more likely you're going to draw your graph correctly. Now I'm now going to draw my line through here, and it is sometimes hard to get it exactly right. That'll have to do for now. Now I might have got something slightly wrong here. We'll see how it goes. So in the second part of the question, and this is why I had to be careful with whether I draw my graph, and I'll draw this so you can see it. I've got to find the solution to, or an estimate, so it's going to allow a degree of inaccuracy to these two equations. Now, in using the graph, we use the point of intersection. Now it's fairly obvious that x is at 5, or very, very close to 5, so I'm sure they will accept that as an estimate. And then on the y-axis, so how far have I gone up from 1? Well, it looks to be almost right in the middle, 1.5. Now in fact, if I check my answer here, if I do 5 divided by 2, and these are estimates and they would be fine if there's a slight error, but it looks like it's going to work perfectly, because 5 divided by 2 is 2.5, and take away 1 is 1.5. I'm fairly certain everything we've done is okay, and we have 4 marks.